Hey man, it's more Chris Lee, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, we have another Pop Smoke merch review. And the highlight of the video is essentially going to be the Palm Angels X Pop Smoke piece. But of course, there's a whole lot of other pieces that we're going to be taking a look at, and I'm going to go ahead and give my rankings. But before this video gets started, I need you guys to know that I have started reselling. I have the reselling page up. It's at _easy resell. It's going to be linked in the description box down below. So you guys, make sure that you go ahead and follow that IG page, because I literally have so many of you guys always asking me, do I have anything for sale? Like, can I sell this piece? Can I sell that piece? And you know, like, usually I was just like, man, I just like creating the content. I don't really think about reselling it, but I'm just like, shoot, I might as well, because I do end up getting my hands on all these. I'm in tune with it. So for those of you guys who might not be fully in tune, or might miss out on a few of the drops or whatnot, make sure y'all follow that page. Within like the coming weeks, I'm gonna have like various pieces dropping. I think I'm gonna start off with some Supreme pieces, but it's gonna be mainly like the streetwear pieces, you know, hoodies, tops, stuff like that. I'm gonna start off with that, and of course, you already know 100% authentication, straight from the source. You guys already know how it is, so you don't gotta worry about, you know, any iffiness, because man, you guys know me and whatnot. So make sure you guys go ahead and follow that IG. I'm actually really excited for this one. I feel like it's gonna be cool, you know, like doing reselling. And on top of that, I'm gonna start bringing like reselling like videos to the channel. I feel like that's gonna be like so cool, because y'all know how I am with like this business and, you know, fashion stuff. It's like the perfect, you know, mix of the two. And also, my brand, or my girlfriend and I's brand, Borze, will be linked down below. The first job we're having is gonna come within the coming weeks, nothing more than a month, hopefully. Essentially, this first collection is going to be heavily based for the female. So if you got yourself a girl, nice little shorty, go ahead, make sure you go ahead and follow that IG page. Stay alert. We're going to be redesigning the page, so don't mind a few pictures that we have up. But essentially, like, we got some bikinis coming, all handmade and all that. They're going to be really nice. It's going to be something different. So make sure y'all got y'all pockets ready to get your girl looking nice. All right. But now that I got all the little self-promotion stuff out the way, I need you guys to smash up that like button. We need 100 likes on this video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, because we're on the road to really 10,000 subscribers. But we're so freaking close to 2K. Like, literally, I think we're like 25 subscribers away. So if you watch the videos and, you know, like, you're constantly watching, but you're forgetting to hit that sub button, just tap that button. Because 80% of you guys who are watching these videos are not subscribed. You, please hit that button. But let's get this video started. Alright, so you guys already know how this section goes, man. Gotta go ahead and log into my laptop and get this little section going. Boom, pow, let's get the recording now. Oh, y'all see the little bar? Okay, so right now, let me go ahead and refresh. You guys can take a look at that. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started. So as we can see, we got the Shoot for the Stars crop top mood swing. So we got 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows, and 6. Okay, so something I'm gonna go ahead and say just straight off the bat. Now, I did not know it's this, okay? So on StockX right now, I'm gonna go straight to the piece, bro. I don't know why I'm saying this, but I'm gonna say it anyways. This piece right here, that's going for about $25, right? The lowest ask for a small is about $63, and we have people wanting the large as well. So this is like a interesting piece. Like, I'm gonna be real with you guys. This piece right here, I feel like it's gonna be more of like a sit and hold type of piece. Okay, like, it takes 2 to 3 weeks to ship out. You might be able to finesse a few people now that don't know too much about it, but are going on like StockX and different platforms. But I feel like for just a piece for pop that's actually going to be able to resell for like a decent amount in the future, like I'm talking about like possibly like early next year, whenever they take it off the website and whatnot, this piece would definitely go for a little bit of money. So depending how long they hold on to it, I'm probably going to go ahead and pick up a few of these in various colors, and these will be like my sit and hold for pop, like essentially just that, because a lot of these pieces, like looking back at them, they're actually pretty nice, and you'll actually be surprised with how much you can make on regular pieces, just because of the fact like everything that happened, and it's like his legacy is living on, you know what I mean? So that's that. But all of these pieces back here we already went over, so we're gonna go ahead and just get started right over here. So we got a Shoot for the Stars crop top, we got some for the girls. Ain't the most fire piece, very simple for design, but you know, if you got it type thing. Okay, so we got this one over here. This design is a little bit better. We got the mood swings, crop top. Got the chains going around. I really like the rose, but it's like these designs, they're like kind of lackluster for me. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing too special. And then we have this one. This one is kind of heat, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like for the sit and hold tactic with, shoot, I bit my lip. Yeah, cause for the sit and hold like tactic, this is a nice freaking piece, bro. I actually like this piece. Like I wouldn't mind having this in my collection. And I know, like, this is a cool, nice, simple piece. Easy piece that can go for double the price. Easy. But the only thing is because, like, they're holding a lot of these pieces on right now because it's like there's no real point in, like, just letting them go or making it exclusive. It's just, like, kind of just trying to milk it for as long as possible. You know what I mean? Got the boot thing, Pop Smoke. They go for a lot of graffiti type designs, you know what I'm saying? And we got the Shoot for the Stars crop top hoodie. Like I said, y'all already got my opinion on these. So like this first row, this piece right here, the Pop Smoke is most definitely the hardest one, you know what I mean? For sure. Now we got Pop Smoke, we got the biker shorts 2. So this is Pop Smoke biker shorts 2. I don't think I remember the first ones. Got Pop Smoke around here. I mean, these are nice, you know what I'm saying? If you a girl and you want to go ahead and get yourself right with something like that. Now we got the shorts. Now these, I don't know how I feel about these. Shoot for the Stars, Aim for the Moon. These is like them little, I'm getting like Z starter short vibes, and then like they just printed this over. Like I'm curious to see what, it's not my fave. I wish they put it horizontal, no, I mean vertical. Like I wish they had like this on that. That would be way harder. Like yeah, kind of like this. So we have the Pop Smoke sweatpants too. Yeah, if they just had like this design on the shorts, I feel like that would be a whole lot better than the Shoot for the Stars and for the Moon one. Okay, now we got the Moon Swings hoodie. I mean the designs is just they like iffy. You know what I mean? For the Stars and for the Moon, it's just like they straight. This is just like regular items, nothing heavy. Or like heat like that, you know what I mean? But the boot thing, booty shorts. Let's see what I'm back talking like. Boot thing, I'm freaking dead. That was funny. This is like the when you at home type stuff, girls can like pop these on. So we got the baddie. Oh, the baddie booty shorts on this one. I'm dead. And you got the baddie on the right cheek. I'm freaking dead. This one's funny. But I feel like yeah, this one's definitely better. Now we got a trucker hat. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna get into hats when I start rocking like twists and braids and stuff like that. If you guys ain't know, like I've been going through phases, like I'll let my hair get like this long and then I'll cut it or like trim it down. But now I actually wanna go ahead and, you know, like grow out my hair to where like I can start like doing like twists, maybe braids, and then start rocking that. Cause you know, it's time for a little switch up. It's just the thing with like getting twists and like braids and stuff that you go through like what I consider an ugly phase. Like whenever it's like the baby length, it don't really look good, you know what I mean? But then at the same time, after a certain length of like my hair getting high, I gotta do like more of my curly routine and whatnot to maintain it. So it's like after a certain point, I'm hoping when it gets to like right around my eyes, I can just start rocking it like that. Plus, it does cost a little bit of bread to like maintain it. Make sure I'm always having like my chop and always having it freshly twisted or braided up. But yeah, definitely go ahead and get me some truckers and whatnot. This one I like more. It's a Star Dad hat. Yeah. Is it embroidered? Let's see. 2 stars. Da, 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 da. It doesn't say. And that's annoying. I feel like it might be embroidered. Nah, it's probably screen printed. If it was embroidered, it would definitely, I feel like it would go for more money. Okay, but then we have the Pop Smoke gradient crop top. It's straight. Like I said, like I'm saying, like, they have a lot of pieces for the girls. They got a baddie t-shirt. It's regular. Ooh, this one kind of live. Pop Smoke flame. Honestly, I like this one. I do like that one. Like because in my head, I'm still thinking for pieces to like sit and hold on. This one's kind of live too. On this t-shirt. That one definitely is. Because like these little graphic ones, over time they usually end up doing good. Got another one. I definitely like it more. The homage long sleeve. I definitely like it more as just a shirt or in white specifically. Alright, then we got the hoodie. We already checked that out. We already checked this out. Okay, so all these pieces we already seen. Now it's time for like that main event, like the main cool piece. Okay, so we have the Palm Angels X Pop Smoke t-shirt. His album, limited edition. I feel like this has been up for weeks, but it's probably only been up for some days. In my opinion, I went ahead and I copied this. This is going to be a piece y'all probably going to see on the resale page, like in probably 2 weeks. Like, I'm telling you guys, bro, and mark my words, bro, all of the Pop Smoke X Palm Angels pieces are up. Like, this piece is up. The hoodie on the Palm Angel side is up. The track jacket and the track pants are up. And the pieces on Palm Angel, they're literally going for, like, the hoodie's going for $625. The track jacket's going for $525. I think the shorts is going for like $300 or $400. And this piece is going for $65. So if you don't see anything about that discrepancy, there is a huge upside for this piece. You know what I mean? And if I have money later on, like let's say they have this like later on, and I get some money hit in my account and whatnot, I'll go ahead and buy two more. But the only thing, this is going to still be a little bit of a sit and hold, because this one's going to take a minute to come in. So it's like, for those of you trying to resell and whatnot, this piece right over here, you're probably going to have to you're not expect your money to come like 3 months down the line. So like, have your reset things or reset opportunities, but this is for something later on in the future. So like, if you got a couple extra $100, you can get yourself like 2, 3, 4, 5 plus of these, and just kind of just hold on them for a little bit, waiting for them to come and whatnot. I'm telling you, you should be able to at least double your money. Like, my price point to be able to sell like this shirt is like $150. But I feel like my plan is to like undercut the market, you know what I mean? Because essentially, like, bro, like, I know this shirt, people are gonna be selling it like on Grail for probably like $250. If they sell it for $250, I'm selling it for $200. But like, I want to be able to undercut the market for like what normal people are selling. You know what I mean? Just because the fact I'm just like, bro, like, come on now. You know what I'm saying? It's just easy business tactics. But well, let me go ahead and just rank some of the pieces. I'll give y'all like my top 2 or top 3. I like this piece right over here. This one's gonna be 1. And then, where is it? That was the first one. The second one is the Pop Smoke right here, and this one is 3. Yeah, so these are the 3 pieces right over here. These I feel like you can sit and hold on and probably be able to sell them for like $60 as soon as like the website is down, you know what I mean? Or like they're not selling it anymore. I feel like that $60 mark for these pieces, basically giving you a 200% return is a pretty safe bet. But anyways, guys, that's how I essentially feel about the drop. I did go ahead and copy it. Like I said, guys, if you have not already, man, please go ahead and follow the resale page. It's going to be linked down below at _easy resale. I'm literally going to be putting y'all on Easy Drip. A lot of you guys DM me constantly asking if I'm selling any pieces, can you buy any of my pieces? And I'm just like, you know what? I might as well just start selling the pieces that I know is heat. You know what I mean? So you guys make sure it's going to be right over there. That's how we're going to get everything popping. I'm going to start off small, you know what I mean? Eventually, we're going to be working on with big volumes. I'm going to bring there's so much more content for the channel. And on top of that, if you have not already, man, make sure you guys follow Bourget and follow us along this journey. I feel like it's going to be a very cool journey, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to put a lot of quality, time, effort into each and every single piece, you know what I mean? And we just want like the customers to be happy. Right now, we're starting off primarily with the females and whatnot, but trust me, the guys, y'all gonna have like that nice drip, you know what I'm saying? Just stay with it. So make sure you guys go ahead and follow that page as well. Those are my resale predictions. I do feel like with this little collection, you can expect to like make some, you know what I mean? But it's not anything like now. It's more of like a little bit of a sit and hold and then sell as you get the pieces and you get the right offers and whatnot. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I need you guys to smash up that freaking like button. We need 100 likes on this video. And if you have not already, man, you made it this far into the video, I'm gonna say please smash that subscribe button. Like, we're actually so close to 2K. But y'all know the big goals were the 10,000 subscribers. But beforehand, just thank you guys, man. I know I thanked you guys on the last video, but like I said, like, I just feel like in a good state. You know, school's about to start. I'm about to have a lot on my plate to manage, but like the fact that you guys constantly support the boy and whatnot, it really does mean a lot. And I just feel like sky's the limit for like us on this channel and whatnot. So just thank you guys for supporting, liking videos, commenting, and all that. Anyway, support Reselling, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. 9. Undercover.